up the flow. To this misfit, all the places I'll go. You call me a stray, you're an orphan who stole from his own hometown for his fortune and scorned it. Alexander begged on you to free him, but you didn't. You ran from the militia and abandoned him in prison. Took the greatest of falls into the planet he was hatching. Soon as you tried to get laid, he got you back, and now all the horses and men will never back into men. They'll put you on Humpty's range and back together again. Paddy is beanstalk, king before the beanstalk, and better believe bested you till his theme stopped and he dropped. Now what would you do when brother's plans were foiled? Couldn't take the fall, he made him take it for you. Unless you made fences a whole awful lot, then your legacy's end is once death has you caught.